I'm gonna always be online when we're doing virtual until further notice.
All right.
So we'll give him about 4 more minutes, and if he doesn't show up, then that's on him.
I'm here. Hello?
He knows. Okay. Hi, Mr. Welch.
Hello, good day. Son,
Hi.
Trevor, how are you, son? My God, it's so good to see you, son.
I don't want to do the visit. Bye.
Okay. All right. I was there. I'm here, Mr. Welch. I'm here. I'm here.
You're where, Miss Donna?
I'm in the streets. So that's where I'm at. I'm in the street. That's why I
See,
have the
this is the
camera
same. This is all that we've ever gone through, Miss Donna. I mean, I don't understand why y'all keep allowing this and causing me to lose my relationship with my son.
But what are we allowing, Mr. Welch? What exactly are we allowing?
You are not supervising the visit. So this is all that there's ever been since day one. My son looks like he's... man, y'all get ahead with this nonsense, man. Y'all get ahead and say slave trade some other people, man. I'm not participating in this. I'm not done with this. I'm done with this. Y'all could have this. Understand me?
Are you saying that you don't want to make an attempt next week? I mean, we have court tomorrow, so we're going to see what...
Yeah, there's always... And this... Yeah, y'all put me through this just for court. Just so you can walk into court and say that you did something in the hours before court. But it's been months of this. It's been almost a year of this.
I get the frustration, but Trevor was on and he made that decision. I didn't say anything to him. He made that decision.
I was listening to you. You and him were talking, but y'all didn't even pay no attention that I was here.
I said, and if you heard what I said, Dad is aware. I've made him aware. Dad has 5 minutes to come on. If he doesn't show up, then the visit is done. If he says anything out of pocket, which Trevor may feel is out of pocket, then we can end the visit. What did I say that was so wrong?
You explained, you offered him a means that if he didn't want to do the visit, he doesn't have to. And unfortunately, that's against the intent of the court, who has explained to everyone that Trev does not have that option. And she is trying to...
He's 14. I want to explain this to you. Trevor is 14 right now. So according to... I don't know if it's children's services, but according to someone's authority higher than mine, children who are 14 and older, they can make a decision on whether or not they want to engage in something. So we invite children to conferences. So we have children as young as 11. They could decide whether or not they want to engage. But for something like this, when they reach the age of 14, they can make the decision on whether or not they want to engage.
Well, Miss Donna.
But this is what I'm saying. Please listen, please, Mr. Welch. I saw Trevor yesterday. I have spoken to Trevor consistently about this. He has often said he does not want to do this. He explained to me, which I explained to you, why he said he didn't want to do it. He said you apologize for the physical stuff, but you apologize for the verbal stuff that you said to him, but you never apologize for the physical stuff. Trevor, I appreciate Trevor coming on because he said to me yesterday he does not want to do this. And so the fact that he actually did show up, I think it's a good thing. And maybe, I don't know, I have access to what it says in ACS records, but I don't know the extent of, not Trevor, I don't know the extent of what occurred between you two.
Well, see, this is where you guys are not, you guys keep running this same old routine practice. And this is what I'm trying to get through to you. The judge understood that Trevor is of age that he can make decisions. That has already been clarified and understood in court. But the judge's intent, and when she made it clear that Trevor's to understand that he cannot make that decision, because she is aware from our prior history with the court that when Trevor is alone in the room with the mother or the grandmother, he is groomed and controlled. That's why the judge clearly stated to the AFC and ACS that Trevor, is not to deny the visits. Now, the court has an intent that I'm not quite sure of, but I have understood the directions that the court has been given. But constantly, it's you social workers that are so busy caught up in your agenda that you do things your way. And it's not the way the court is directing. I have tried to explain to you guys the court's direction, and you guys keep coming to me with your standard policy and practice. Now, chances are Trevor will never say anything other than that as long as you social workers keep handling other business at the same time that you're supposed to be supervising this visitation. Virtual visitations are not supervised visitations. So please correctly, whatever report that you have to hand in tomorrow, please correctly state the manner in which this was done and my objections to it. You understand?
Okay, Mr. Welch, I hear you, but I guess my question is, your son, he doesn't have a right to say whether or not he's comfortable doing something?
At the moment, he does not. That is, I understand your clear statement, and I am telling you that at the moment, the judge declared and advised social workers and the AFC that he does not have that option to deny the visitation. Come on, I've been doing this 15 years, Ms. Donna. I haven't had a happy day with my son since he was born. I've been in court, so understand how much I have learned. I'm not doing this because I feel like being involved with y'all. Now, if this is concluded, I got more important things to do.
Okay, Mr. Welch, I appreciate you participating, and we will make an attempt next week. I understand what you're saying, but it did say to go on, thank you, to go on to supervise virtual visits. His mother was not present during the time. Listen, you said something about agenda. I don't know what agenda you think that I have. At the end of the day, again, I spoke to Trevor in person yesterday, and I strongly encouraged him to get on this phone call. So I think you're missing the fact that how, irrespective to Trevor hanging up, the fact of the matter is that he made an attempt to show up, and I think that stands for something. It's going to take time. And I understand that you're frustrated. I understand that you've been going through this for a long time. And trust me, I empathize. I don't know how the other CPS have engaged your families, but I'm trying to do my best to...
Well, this is what I'm telling you. This is why I know what their agenda is. They have done the exact same thing that you do, that you've done. It has not changed. In 15 years, y'all policy and y'all practice has not changed, and it always results in the same manner. At this rate, I will see my son essentially whenever his mother or his grandmother offends one of you, social workers in the ACS department. That's when I will see my son again, and he will be comfortable being with me, once they have offended one of you again. You have not looked at our file. You have not read our history or our past. I can say that with certainty, Ms. Donna. Now, again, if we have concluded, I have better things to do.
Okay, I won't hold you any longer, Mr. Welch. Thank you for participating.
Good day.
Thank you. You too. Take care.